How to play Bewitching Bash Tournament in Monopoly Go. So all you have to do first is to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, players and tycoons can receive 49 goodies from Monopoly Go's Bewitching Bash event. So I think this feature is very limited. During the Bewitching Bash event, you have to land on the chance community chest, and railroad tiles in order to score points. So the base point values for each are as follows. So we have here for chance, 2 points, 3 points for community chest, and 5 points for railroad. You can make strategic and use your dice multipliers to maximize points. For instance, you will receive 200 points rather than starting 2 points if you employ a 100 dice multiplier and land on a chance tile. Now I am going to show you Monopoly Go Bewitching Bash milestone. So what is this? Okay, so the following are the 49 milestones for the Bewitching Bash event for Monopoly Go. So you'll need to land on, like what I've mentioned before, you have to land on Chance, Community Chest, and Railroad. So as you can see here, you will have to earn thousands of points to reach the final level. The last and last reward in this event is 17,500 points or 17,500 points, which gets you a 4-star sticker pack plus 7,500 dice rolls and a guaranteed gold sticker pack. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.